Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type Samsung voice recorder. And download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now you need to choose continue, tap on allow, and click on yes, I agree. Then click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the right button over here and tap save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can rename it by clicking on those three dots over here, selecting rename and typing wherever you wish to. When you're done, select OK. If you wish to delete your recording, you need to hold it, click on this bin icon over here, and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!